What is money? Really? Paper? Numbers on a screen? No. To most people, money is something far more powerful and far more dangerous because people don't chase money. They chase what they believe money will fix. They think money will silence their fears. They think money will make them respected. They think money will finally make them enough. But here's the truth. Nobody says out loud. Money doesn't change who you are. It reveals who you are. If you feel empty without money, you may still feel empty with it. If you lack direction, more money won't give you purpose. If you don't respect yourself, no amount of wealth can buy inner peace. So, why do people keep chasing it? Because money represents three powerful human desires: freedom, security, control. The freedom to live without begging life for permission. The security to sleep without fear of tomorrow. The control to choose your own path. And there is nothing wrong with wanting these, but listen carefully. Money is a tool, not a destination. A magnifier, not a creator. A test, not a reward. In the hands of clarity, money builds freedom. In the hands of confusion, money builds a prison made of stress, ego, and endless wanting. Most people spend their whole lives trying to earn more, but never stop to ask, who am I becoming while I chase it? Chase growth, not just money. Build strength, not just wealth. Because the most powerful currency in this world is a clear mind, a fearless heart, and a life you control. Money can buy comfort, but only you can build meaning.